A statistician recorded the pregnancy rate of 1,000 U.S. women aged whatever to whatever. A linear regression was used to develop a linear model for the pregnancy rate over time. The figure shows a graph of the residuals of linear regression, which of the following is true. Now, looking at these dots, okay, what you're looking for with a residual model is, do you have a pattern? Okay. In other words, like if I were to give you a residual plot that looks like this, that's a clear quadratic pattern. So when you have a clear pattern, a linear model is not appropriate. So I don't see a pattern. I have a dot down here, 4 dots up here, 5 dots down there, 3 dots up here. I don't have anything quadratic. That's not like, that doesn't look cubic or anything like that. It's not like you're going to be like, oh, well, yeah, I could definitely do that. No, not really. I don't have any pattern. So since I don't have a clear pattern, linear is appropriate. So let's choose that. The linear model is appropriate because the residual plots demonstrate a clear pattern. No, linear is appropriate, but it's because it doesn't present a pattern. The linear model is appropriate because the residual plot does not demonstrate a pattern. Yep. The linear model is not. Nope. The linear model is not. Nope. So what you're looking for with residual plots is, do you have a pattern? No. Then it's linear.